Hey guys, today we start with the rider who gets caught off guard by a large amount of gravel in a corner. Fortunately, he walks away without any injuries.
Now we putting on a display at my mama house. Times I feel like we now. We all that we need. Agree if the kids you working on you.
This is one of those situations where the rider is completely helpless. The driver is likely distracted by something else and slams into the rider with full force.
Maybe you guys just need to sit down and have a nice, soft, cordial conversation. No cursing, no yelling, no one pointing anything. You just ask her, what is it that makes her...
It's what it is. Then we back at it.
You guys just want to pull in here, be the best spot.
Okay. Beamer.
Do you want me to help you move the bike over?
The bike is stuck. How are you gonna move the bike?
So what
You gotta reverse.
If you hold your bike.
I'll try to hold the bike.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
Oh, that hurt. That hurt really bad. That's a little bit, Johnny. Tired.
The rider finds out just how dangerously speeding can be. He moves between two solid lines and seems to be perfectly safe until the very last second.
Baby, no, I can't move on. I can't move on, baby doll. Waiting on.
Idiot. You're riding like a and I hope you die.
Ew.
Treating public road like a racetrack is never a good idea, and one of these riders finds that out the hard way. In this situation, the driver is either overwhelmed by a complex roundabout or simply fails to see the rider who miraculously manages to stay on his bike. Here is a perfect example of how not to help. After such a heavy impact, the pedestrians try to pick the woman up at all costs, which is the last thing you should do.